Good morning, guys, and welcome back to another vlog. Today is Saturday, and today I'm heading over to the Secret Car Club. I figured, why not try a POV style video with the boosted E36 M3? For a second, let this guy get some gap here. So by far, that is the most fun thing about coming to this car show out here in Rancho Santa Fe is the drive out there. So I hope you guys enjoyed that clip. If you did, drop a comment below. Let me know if you like that style of video and maybe we can make more of those. Otherwise, I'm gonna go grab some coffee and check out the cool cars that are here. Here's something you do not see every day. Enzo. Chris is actually heading down today, so maybe I'll lend a hand with the M5. Not too sure. I'll check in with you guys when we get to the hunt quarters. Shout out to Trent in the Estero Blue E36. Clean car, dude. Real quick, before we end today's video, there is only 3 days left to enter the throtl VIP sweepstakes for January. So if you haven't seen, we're giving away a turbo kit or $4,000 to spend on new performance parts. As always, if you like what you saw in this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you guys in the next one.